Of two American spacecraft. They're now positioned to give the first ever 360-degree view of the sun's surface, and the results could, among other things, transform our understanding of solar storms and how they affect satellite systems and airline electronics and power grids. Our science correspondent David Shukman explains what's going on.
The sun like we've never seen it. Turbulent, constantly erupting. New images revealing a restless power. Huge arcs of fire reach into space. In the past few years, scientists have been getting ever more detailed pictures. The sun, of course, makes life possible on Earth, but now and again, these great explosions send damaging clouds of particles our way. And until now, we haven't always known they're coming. From Earth, we can never get a view all round the sun, but it's where some of the biggest eruptions start. Now, to try to do this, two spacecraft were launched 5 years ago, and they're now directly opposite each other. That means for the first time, images can be taken in 3D and all round the sun, so we may get early warning of possible trouble. This footage captures a great blast of highly charged particles surging around Mercury on the right and then onto Venus. And this shot shows the eruption reaching us on Earth, the blue dot in the centre of the screen. Researchers call this space weather, and it can prove devastating. Electrical supplies can be disrupted, so can satellites. A solar storm destabilising our magnetic field, which is why scientists want to keep a constant watch.
What we really want to be able to do with the stereo mission is to be able to see exactly what the sun's doing. We want to be able to watch regions on the sun as they grow and they evolve, and we want to see them as the sun rotates and brings these regions of activity pointing towards the Earth.
This NASA mission, using British cameras, is set to run for many more years, all the time building up an understanding of how the sun works, how its eruptions can be forecast, and producing sights that most of us could never have imagined. David Shukman, BBC News.